Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix notification dot not showing. So, in this Facebook homepage, you have to go for in this streamline option here. Okay, then scroll down for settings and privacy. Click on settings. Scroll down again and go for navigation bar. Now you can see here is the option as message notification dots. Now you have to find these two here. Now go back. After that, you are able to see the notification dots here. So that's it. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.